First guidance personnel is the guidance director. Ang guidance director ang nagsisilbing head ng guidance office that supervises and monitors the implementation of the guidance program sa isang institution. Siya din ang nagsisilbing supervisors ng lahat ng members ng guidance personnel in making sure that they are functioning and being able to cater the clients that needed the different guidance and counseling services. Bukod dito, ang iba't iba pang role ng guidance director ay ang magsilbing manager para masigurado niya ang provision at proper functioning ng lahat ng guidance personnels, activities, pati na rin ang budget at facilities. Bilang isang developer na kung saan ina-assess niya ang pangangailangan ng program planning, research, evaluation, improvement at establishment of accountability ng guidance personnel and the whole office. Bilang isa ding leader, siya ang nagpo-provide ng direction at ng motivation para sa lahat ng personnel at ng program improvement ng guidance office.